I believe that besides our health, relationships are probably the most important thing in our lives. We have so much going on with our stresses and our family, and we lose each other sometimes. And people come in here feeling hurt and broken, and we're so excited because we can help them walk out feeling connected and loved again.
I love being a therapist. I feel really honored to be invited to work with people during some of the most difficult times of their lives and help to guide them to a place of healing and improvement.
There's a lot of things that change as people are in a long-term relationship with each other. Sometimes as, maybe conflict rises, or one of the things that I most often see is when distance grows between people. And we're really wanting to sort of catch that before it creates further problems for them and work on finding new ways to reconnect. We really genuinely care about our clients.
When I started the Relationship Center of Orange County, my vision was that we have a set of senior therapists that are compassionate and well-trained in marital therapy, family therapy, and teen therapy to help families around Orange County. And I have to say I'm delighted with the team that we have here.